And here's how to make glass effect. First of all, unlock your layer and you have to convert your layer to a smart object. Then duplicate your layer and from tool panel select the rectangle tool and just go ahead and draw a rectangle shape just like this. And here you can adjust your border radius. And now select the middle layer and go to filter, hover over on blur and add Gaussian blur. And here radius I'm giving 40 pixel for example. And then hold down the Ctrl key and drag the shape layer onto this middle layer. Now hide this top layer and now you can see the blur or glass effect. Now click on FX and open blending options. First of all, let's select gradient overlay and here select gradient and I'm selecting this gradient. And here make sure to select white color and you can adjust opacity just like this. Click on OK and you can move this angle to rotate your gradient color just like this. And you can also play with this opacity. And then let's add a stroke and increasing the stroke size. And here let's change stroke color to white. And you can also play with opacity just like this. And click on OK. And here blend mode, select soft light. And then let's add a drop shadow. Here I'm selecting drop shadow color. Once you're happy, just click on OK. And here we have our glass effect.